Maruti Suzuki will be shifting out of its Gurugram plant and is looking for a new plot of land in Haryana. Though the company had previously said that it is open to moving to other states, Maruti's chairman R.C. Bhargava recently confirmed that the new plant will be set up in Haryana itself. The state government has already offered 3 land parcels to the automaker located in Manesar, Sohna and Khakoda in Sonipat. Between the 3 locations, Manesar is said to be the most viable with the closer proximity of ancillaries and suppliers. It is also one of the largest automotive manufacturing clusters in the country. The 600-acre plot offered in Manesar is almost twice the size of the existing Gurugram plant. The facility was Maruti's first plant in India, set up 39 years ago in 1981. It has a production capacity of 7 lakh units annually and employs over 15,000 people. The company is facing a capacity crunch at this plant. The Honda Amaze subcompact sedan has recently crossed the 4 lakh sales milestone in India. This includes the cumulative sales of both the first generation and the second generation model. The first generation model was launched in 2013, while the second generation Amaze went on sale in India in 2018. Currently, the Amaze is the Japanese automaker's best-selling model in the country, retailing an average of 5,000 to 6,000 units per month. In fact, Honda says that 42% of the Amaze owners were first-time car buyers. The first generation Honda Amaze was launched in India in April 2013 and the company sold 2.6 lakh units of the car till March 2018. The second generation model went on sale in May 2018 and has sold the remaining 1.4 lakh units so far. Honda says about 44% of the total sales of the car come from the Tier 1 markets, while Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities together drive the remaining 56% sales. The Amaze has seen an increased demand for the automatic variants with the second generation. India Yamaha Motor has launched a new website with online sales facility for Yamaha two-wheelers in India. With the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic pushing customers to prefer to stay indoors and minimize a visit to the showroom, Yamaha has introduced a virtual store to enhance the buying experience of the brand's customers. The new website will have all the latest features, including a 360-degree view of the products, along with the specifications comparison between Yamaha motorcycles and scooters, bundled under the buyer's guide option. Yamaha dealerships will also provide support in promoting contactless delivery and use digital communication tools like WhatsApp for communicating with customers. Through the new website, customers can also opt for doorstep service. Yamaha will start online sales module from Chennai and will cover 300 dealerships across the country by the end of 2020. Apart from Yamaha, two-wheeler manufacturers including Piaggio, Hero MotoCorp and Honda have also announced digital sales of two-wheelers through their brands' respective websites.
If you like that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.